Are we ready for this? Oh, look in there. Melted cheese, beans and ham. Perfect. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing another cracking pasty video. I know you're going to say another pasty, but you know, a pasty is so easy to make. It's comforting food. It's quick and easy. You take to work, eat after work. Oh, it comes together in about 20 minutes. It's so simple. Now this one is going to be a ham, cheese and bean pasty. Absolutely delicious. So let's show you how to do it. Now it is going to be very easy to do because we are using bought puff pastry sheets, baked beans, some cooked ham and some cheese. So easy. Let's show you how to do it. Come on. So we are going to start by putting some puff pastry sheet on there. Just like that. Now this is ridiculously easy. I ain't even going to fool you, you know. Right, I've got some cheese, I've got some cheddar, I've got some mozzarella. We're going to put a little bit of cheddar down there. Now of course you can use as much cheese as you want. Entirely up to you. Now try and keep an edge around there so we can stick the other pastry on the top. Some more cheddar for this one. The thing is, for this type of recipe, you know, I hold back on these recipes usually, you know, because you don't have to be a culinary genius to actually enjoy some really good comfort food like this, you know. So we're going to in there with some ham. Now this is just cooked chopped ham. You can use spam. You can do anything. Now what we want to do is take some beans. Try and get some beans without the juice, so it'd be better with a fork, I reckon. So we don't want too much juice. Want just enough to keep it moist. Now this is one of those simple recipes, you know, you can scale up or down, make as many as you want. There is no real ingredient list for this at all. You just chuck in what you want. So we want to go on there with a little bit of mozzarella. Now it's open to any flavourings that you want in there. You can put any mixed herbs in, anything like that. I'm probably going to put a little touch of oregano actually. I like oregano, especially in with the cheese. It's a straightforward little bit of an egg wash just round there. This is our glue. Now we don't want to go too much. We just need it to stick. And then we're just going to take our pastry top. I'm going to put that over the top of there. And then it's just the usual. Just over the top of there. And then we need to start crimping it down. So take a fork and crimp away. Over the top with a little bit of beaten egg. That's going to give us that really nice glossy golden pastry finish. So easy. No need to put any slits in, it's only cheese, it's already cooked ham, no worries. Let's get it in the air fryer. Now I'm using an air fryer today. I'm using the high sapienza air fryer, but you can use a conventional oven. Conventional oven, we're 90 to 100 degrees. This is C for about 25 minutes. In this oven, we're going to do it 175 for 20 minutes. So let's get that in there. So in we go. Toast setting for this one, and we want to set the time for 20 minutes. That will do it, because there's nothing to cook. It's only the pastry, you know. 20 minutes, and we want to set the temperature 175. Hit the play, and off we go. As easy as that. 20 minutes time, the pasties will be ready. Oh, there we have it. Oh, look at those. Oh, they are absolutely amazing. You know, what I will say about this oven, you know, I've been using it for quite some time now, as you will notice on the channel. It does a fantastic job, you know, for stuff like this. Boom, boom, perfect every time. Now this is red hot, but I'm going to turn it over and you'll see that on the bottom of here, the bottom of the pie will be completely cooked. Look at that browning on there. Oh, this is red hot. Look at that browning on there. Perfect, perfect pie every time. 175, 20 minutes, that's all. Okay, what I'm going to do is bob those on there. Whew, just like that. So there we have it. Two absolutely fantastic pasties made there. You know what's in them? Cheese, ham, beans. Let it cool a minute and then we'll cut a slice. They look fantastic. Now this sort of menu, okay, we eat a lot of pies on this channel, as you well know. I love my pies, love my pastry. Not good for you, okay? Up to you guys, you know, if you don't want to eat it, don't eat it. This sort of stuff like this, quick, easy, in after work. Make it before you go to work, take it to work, save yourself some money. You know what's in there and it's full. Fantastic for students, anything like that. You know, they've got a little meal in there. Bung it with some fries or mashed potato and some baked beans and you've got a dinner. There you go. 5 minutes, let it cool. We'll cut a slice. Come on, I can't wait that 5 minutes. Let's get in here. Ooh, that's hot. Are we ready for this? Oh, look in there. Melted cheese, beans and ham. Perfect. Oh, let's get it plated up and we'll give it a try. Ham, cheese, baked bean pasty made. All we got to do now is give it a go. Oh, this is going to be really, really hot. Look in there. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Superb. Cheese, ham, baked beans, puff pastry, a little bit of oregano. What more could you want? That is a fantastic little comfort food snack or even a light meal. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. We'll catch you in the next video.